It is possible to embroider incredible designs in our CAMFive EMB machines, and the best of all is that you can experiment with small sizes. Join us to discover this kind of embroidery. For this project, it's necessary to use the small frame set that is included in your machine, which is special for tiny designs and small garments. This time, we are using socks, so let's begin putting each one in the frame as follows. Once you did that, and having the design already in the machine's memory, we can start embroidering. Thanks to the efficiency of our machine, the job will be finished in just a few minutes, giving the chance to start a new project right away. When the design is completed, remove the garment from the frame and enjoy the quality of the embroidery. Thanks for watching! Keep tuned for more videos of CAMFive EMB embroidery machine.